Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing AHFD, ALPP, CBTC, ETEK, GGII, LIACF, MGTI, and ORRCF. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion and is meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and a little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks you're going to be covering. Stocks like ENZC at 0.014, ABML at 7 cents, ALPP at 7.5 cents, and HMBL at 0.027. And if you click on the symbol or the percentage gain, you can see our original profile, such as this one on ALPP from February 10th, 2020. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 00. It will not work. And many times we will do a text-only alert if something hot comes across our desk that we want to get out to our subscribers right away. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. Overall, not a bad week on the OTC. We were saved by AHFD, which is the big runner of the week with 490% gains. It's double zero with the yield sign and still just has a $44 million market cap at current levels. It's merging with CoinChamp and new CEO Glenn Bonilla. He's been profiled by Forbes for their 30 under 30 events. So it's certainly an exciting deal. And once it gets pink current, this one will be trading above a penny, and it's blue skies from there. So certainly one that we really like, AHFD, and certainly contributed to an overall green week for Insider Financial. ALPP, Nasdaq bound. Congrats to all in ALPP. We talked about this one the other day about going on Nasdaq. So certainly exciting times. We told everybody that Nasdaq was coming. Did we write this one up? Yeah, 4 OTC stocks to add to your portfolio, we said on October 7th. So it was our OTC stock number 1. We said that it was going to get Nasdaq listing. They were in the final stages. So anyone that bought in off of that is got a nice little pop. Congrats there. Most likely what we will see is once it hits NASDAQ, you'll get some institutions, some newbies buying. We'll send it higher and then subsequent sell-off. So just be prepared for that. We're not trying to alarm anyone. We're just trying to tell you to trade the patterns. This is a pattern we are quite familiar with. Which one? Give you an example. The last one that we traded well was Mind, MIND. This one went NASDAQ earlier in the year, popped to over $3. And then it just started on its downtrend. So this was the last one. Also LWLG went NASDAQ. This has been one we talked about. We got our subscribers in around 255, ran to 16, pulled back to 6. then ran to 14 on its Nasdaq listing, and then started pulling back again. So it's a pattern, guys. Learn to trade them. Don't fall in love with any of these stocks. I know many of you get mad at me and get the vitriol on Twitter. We're not in love with any stock. We're in love with money. So, buy dips, sell rips, and always book profits. I cannot stress this enough to you guys. If you want to last in the OTC, you gotta be booking profits. CBTC, we talked about this one. When did we talk about this one? Pulling up CBTC. Oh, yeah. Same day we talked about ALPP. This was OTC stock number 2. Definitely a nice move here. Congrats all that got in on this one. This is just a cheap Bitcoin play. It's trading with just a $16 million market cap. If you want exposure to Bitcoin above 60,000, this is a cheap way to do it. And we think this one has a lot more room to run. So CBTC, certainly an exciting play. Congrats to all that got in on our alert. ETEK, this one is running. Got the shout out from Laid Back. ETEK said keep an eye on this one. Today is the front load. This guy is he was one of the pumpers on CEI, DATS with Zach Morris. Then he came into the OTC on BRYYF and ZZI. You can take a look at here when he what happened on both of these. So BRYYF, this green here, it opened at 0.0013, ran to 0.031, and then we got another blow off top where it hit 0.0049 and retraced all the way back. So guys, this is a classic example of a pump and dump. You want to play the pump and don't get caught bag holding in the dump. So play the momentum, book profits, take advantage of pumpers like Laid Back. It's certainly an opportunity to make money if you play it accordingly. JZI, similar thing happened. He pumped it here from 1 cent, went to all the way to 0.0246. That was a 100% gainer. And then pulled back, and then we're getting some nice trading opportunities in JZZI. So play the pump, book profits, you'll do fine. GGII, wow, what a relief. Finally getting some green. They signed an agreement with Rick Ross. This is one of our bags. We are bag holding. I talked about this one in one of our videos. Yes, we have losers like everyone else, and we are holding bags. In GGII, I'm waiting till the end of the year. I was planning on taking the tax loss. This was certainly a nice gain, 86% move. Let's hope it continues. I know a lot of people are hurting in GGII, us included. So let's see if this can continue. Big news with Rick Ross. The share structure still sucks. $585 million market cap, but I think the dilution is over. The float's not that bad. Again, we could use a better share structure, but I do think the worst might be behind us now. So happy with the bounce in GGII and hope it continues this week. LIACF, this is a lithium and uranium play. Guys, what's going on right now, and this is one way to play OTC stocks, is basically look at the commodities sector, the underlying, and then the underlying commodity, and then look for plays on the OTC. Uranium right now is making tremendous gains. If you look at CCJ, this is Cameco Corporation. This is a big uranium miner. Look at the run this one has had, and LICF is one way to play this. It's up from $1.20 last month. It's a double. We think this one has more room to run as lithium. It's an EV, used in lithium-ion batteries, and then you add in the uranium play in Peru. LICF certainly looks interesting, and they were out with an update on October 5th, and we like what we're seeing in coming from LIACF. MGTI, this one was one that we wrote up this week. Congrats to all that were able to play this one. We talked about this one just the other day. 4 penny stocks to watch. We included our coverage of AHFD, Hive, another blockchain play, and MGTI. This one ran 45%, so congrats to all if you played it off of our profile. So congrats to all. This one came out on the 14th, and you see what happened here on the 15th, Friday. So it opened at 0.03, ran to 0.0497. So definitely a nice play there. So, and if you look at our article, we talked about the pros and cons in MGTI. We told you about the SEC issues that the company has had with the CEO, and we're an unbiased source. We're trying to give you guys the pros and cons, and find the best penny stocks to own. Really, MGTI was a great play. It's a QB. We said it was just a $17 million market cap at the time. Now it's $27 million market cap. So, it was just a great way to play Bitcoin running. So, congrats to all that played MGTI. Lastly, folks, is ORRCF. This is a copper play. Copper is getting hot. We've talked about this one in the past. It's a big runner over the past year. Ran from just 86 cents to over $3. Pulled back here to under $1.80. It's now running again, so it's a quality copper play, and this is what we're talking about, finding quality plays based on what's going on in these commodity markets. And speaking of which, oil right now is closed at $82. Oil plays are getting hot right now, or they've been hot. We have an undiscovered oil tech play on dock for our subscribers. Monday at the bell, just trading above 20 cents. The only way to get this alert is by going to signup.insiderfinancial.com. And the best part is it's a free service. We do not run any paid subscription service. So, go and sign up at signup.insiderfinancial.com. We really like this oil tech play, and the chart looks primed for a major move. So definitely like this one for our subscribers on Monday. With that being said, I want to wish everyone a wonderful weekend, and hoping for some big fireworks next week. And let's rock and roll. And again, make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com to get Monday's alert. Thank you, everyone, and have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.